Basecamp, in the context of outdoor navigation and GPS devices, refers to Garmin Basecamp, a free software application used for viewing, organizing, and planning outdoor activities. It's a powerful tool for anyone using Garmin GPS devices, whether for hiking, cycling, off-roading, or geocaching. One of the most common and valuable tasks users want to perform in Basecamp is converting a track into a route. This process is crucial for effective navigation and planning. As a project management expert, I understand that precision and a clear sequence of steps are vital, and converting a track to a route in Basecamp is a perfect example of applying a structured approach to achieve a desired outcome. Understanding the basics, track versus route. Before diving into the how-to, let's clarify the two fundamental elements. What is a track? Imagine you've just completed a hike. Your GPS device records your precise movements, creating a digital breadcrumb trail of where you've been. This recorded path, made up of many closely spaced points, is called a track. Characteristics. Tracks are essentially a historical record. They show where you were. They often have hundreds or even thousands of points, providing a very detailed path. They don't typically include turn-by-turn directions or elevation profiles designed for future navigation in the same way a route does. What is a route? Now, imagine you want to plan that same hike for next weekend or share it with a friend. You want turn-by-turn directions and a clear understanding of the path's key decision points. This planned path, made up of a series of waypoints or turns, is a route. Characteristics. Routes are forward-looking. They show where you intend to go. They are generally composed of fewer points, often called waypoints or shaping points, that define turns or significant locations. When loaded onto a GPS device, a route will often provide audible or visual turn-by-turn directions and an estimated arrival time, guiding you along the predefined path. The distinction is crucial. A track is a record of travel, while a route is a plan for travel. Converting a track to a route allows you to take a successful past journey and turn it into a repeatable, navigable plan. Why convert a track to a route? From a project management perspective, this conversion is about optimizing and standardizing a successful process. Reusability. You found a great path. Converting it to a route means you can easily use it again or share it with others. It's like turning a successful one-off project into a repeatable template. Guidance and efficiency. Routes provide active navigation support on your GPS device, offering turn-by-turn directions. This reduces the cognitive load during navigation and makes your journey more efficient. Refinement. A raw track might include detours, accidental deviations, or pauses. Converting to a route allows you to clean up the path, removing unnecessary points and making it more direct or logical. This is akin to a project postmortem where you refine the process for future iterations. Sharing and collaboration. Routes are easier to share and for others to follow, ensuring everyone is literally on the same page or path. Step by step, creating a route from a track in Garmin Basecamp. Here's a clear, step-by-step guide to transforming your recorded track into a usable route in Basecamp. Phase 1. Preparation and selection. Open Garmin Basecamp. Launch the application on your computer. Locate your track. In the left-hand Library and Devices pane, navigate to the folder or device where your desired track is stored. You'll see My Collection at the top, and usually devices connected below it. Select the track. Click on the track you want to convert. Its path should appear on the map view in the main window. If you have many tracks, you might want to rename them beforehand for easier identification. Phase 2. Initiating the conversion. Right-click on the track. With the track selected, right-click on it in the Library and Devices pane. Choose Create Route from Track. From the context menu that appears, select the option Create Route from Track. This action opens a new dialog box. Phase 3. Route Creation Options. This is where you define how Basecamp generates your route. This dialog box presents several important choices. New route name. Basecamp will suggest a name, often based on the track's name. You should immediately rename this to something meaningful and descriptive for your future use, e.g., Mount Siramai Summit Trail East Ridge. This is like defining your project title clearly from the start. Route calculation method. This is a critical setting. It tells Basecamp how to interpret your track and calculate the route. Direct or direct routing. This will create a straight line route between the points it selects from your track. This is generally not what you want for navigating trails or roads, as it ignores actual paths and elevation. It's only useful for very specific, off-path navigation. Activity profile, e.g., hiking, cycling, driving. This is almost always the correct choice for most outdoor activities. Select the activity profile that matches how you intend to travel the route, e.g., hiking for trails, cycling for bike paths, driving for roads. Basecamp will then try to snap your route to known trails, roads, or paths on the underlying map data, calculating turn-by-turn directions based on that profile. This is the recommended option for most cases. Avoidances. If you have specific avoidance settings enabled in your activity profile, e.g., avoiding unpaved roads for cycling, these will be considered during route calculation. Maximum number of points. This setting determines how many shaping points Basecamp will use to create the route. A higher number of points will result in a route that more closely follows the original track. A lower number of points will simplify the route, potentially making it less precise but easier for your GPS device to process, especially older models. Recommendation: start with a moderate number, e.g., 250 to 500 for a long hike. You can always adjust later. For complex tracks, a higher number might be necessary to capture all turns. Click OK or Calculate. Once you've set your options, click the OK or Calculate button. The exact button name might vary slightly by Basecamp version. Phase 4. Review and refine. Examine the new route. Basecamp will generate the new route and display it on the map. It will also appear as a new item in your library and devices pane. Review waypoints and turns. Zoom in on the map and carefully inspect the generated route. Does it follow the original track accurately? Are the turns where you expect them to be? Are there any illogical segments or detours? Manual adjustments, if needed. Adding shaping points. If the route deviates from the desired path, you can use the Insert tool, often looks like a pencil, to click on the route and add new shaping points, dragging them to the correct location. Deleting shaping points. If there are unnecessary points making the route convoluted, select them and press Delete. Moving shaping points. Drag existing points to fine-tune the route's path. Save your changes. Once satisfied, ensure you save your Basecamp collection. The route is now ready. Phase 5. Transfer to your GPS device. Connect your Garmin device. Plug your Garmin GPS device into your computer.